Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover TonKeeper wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So start by opening up your TonKeeper wallet application and sign in with your wallet. Make sure that you have selected your right wallet. Then click on Settings on the top right corner of your screen, and you will have the option of Backup, which is on the top. So once you click there, you will have the option of Backup manually. Now once you click on Backup manually, this is going to show up a 24-digit code where you just need to write down on some paper or somewhere where you think it's safe. I recommend you to do not copy and paste it on your mobile device or in your computer, because sometimes you can get lost of it and your wallet can also get lost at the same time. So simply click on Continue and simply enter the password of your wallet. And this is going to show you your 24-digit recovery phrase where you just need to copy. And then click on Check Backup on the bottom. And then as a test, you just need to enter the same recovery code that is showing up on the screen like 1, 19, and 23. Whatever the names were, you just need to type right in this place. So that's basically how you can recover TonKeeper wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.